Let's assume for a second that you're standing in front of a display. There's no keyboard, no mouse, no easy way to actually get into it. Now, you know there's video output, but don't know how to provide any input. Openterface, which is a company that created the Mini-KVM that I've admired for the longest time, as well as really awesome U-console modifications, have solved this problem with their new Openterface KeyMod. Been in this space for a while, then you 100% recognize Openterface's name. They had the KVM-GO, the Mini-KVM. You could communicate with a headless computer over a laptop, full BIOS access, OSHWA certifications, built an entire community of thousands of users that believe in their brand, in their products, and they continuously innovate and contribute to the open source community in the most beautiful way. Now, both those devices fundamentally solve the same problem: full control of a device's keyboard, mouse, video, the whole nine. The KeyMod is a different animal, and I'd like to say that wholeheartedly because it's not a replacement for either or, although it does utilize the same HID engine. Now, when Openterface reached out for beta testing, I was a little bit skeptical because I couldn't find a real case scenario where I would need my phone as a mini keyboard until I started seeing the demos that they were doing on their Instagram account, and I was insanely impressed. It clicked instantly. It comes in this tiny keychain form factor, a USB port, and a female USB-C port on the other side. Except this is a special USB port, and it allows us to kind of flick that down, and bam, we've got a USB-C port or a USB port. Either way you look at it, you've got all the things that you could possibly want to jack into a device. The KeyMod is an HID emulation device, and what that means is this is the same category of device as your keyboard and mouse, which means that we can plug this into our target computer, no drivers, no installation, literally just plug and play. They've got a full app UI ready right now on Android. It's not fully ready on iPhone from the time of this video, but they are working on it. Now, the idea of communicating with your phone as a keyboard and mouse might seem like, wouldn't that take forever? Well, yes, except you can prepare scripts and then plug in your KeyMod to the target device, which is what I find kind of amazing. And I will also like to say that this video is for educational purposes only. Only test your own hardware. Do not test any devices or anything that you do not have explicit permission to test on. But for how simple it is to become a potential rubber ducky for communicating with your own devices, it has a lot of potential. Now, to download the Openterface app, you can go to their website. I've linked it down below in the description. And although in the beginning I did have a few issues, you do want to keep in mind that this is still on pre-launch on crowd supply. So since, I want to say, the last 2 weeks, there have been a lot of bug fixes and it's gotten a whole lot better. It's plugged in. It'll ask us if we can have serial access. We're going to press OK. And on the side here, it'll tell you device connect. We can change the baud rate settings, the parameter settings. We can switch between pointer mode and touch mode, and I want to say that's drag mode. But if we click this right here, why is it not? No, there we go. We get a full keyboard. Now, as simple as all that might seem, you have access to profiles, macros, hotkeys, you name it. You can pretty much launch anything you'd like right on the fly. Now comes the question of who might this be for? Let's assume that you want to communicate with a server rack or something that has no actual way to plug in multiple inputs. This is small enough to put on a keychain, and it's actually really useful. Now, there are still some experimental features like on-device triggers. Now, that paired with profiles and macros and hotkeys, you can pretty much discern where I'm going with this, and it's an all-around tool, a network auditor's dream as well as a network technician's dream, and definitely if you work on kiosks in particular, this is like a must-have. It's lightweight, fits on everything, and the keychain loop is damn near indestructible. I want to thank Openterface for sending this in because I did not think that I was going to love this much as an EDC tool. I like it. And if you guys wanted to support Openterface and check out their many devices, especially their devices for the Clockwork Pi U console, their KVM board, everything, they don't miss. And as far as open source goes, they're amazing. I love your faces. I want to thank my Patreon supporters. You guys are awesome. And thank you for watching this video. Love your face.